Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of IPTV in Brazil. Let me introduce you to 2TV.store, the best IPTV provider you need to know about. With 2TV.store, you can enjoy a wide range of channels and a free trial opportunity. First, let's visit 2TV.store to explore subscription options available for everyone. Once you're on the site, browse through their impressive selection of channels and services. Select a subscription plan that suits your needs and click on the Sign Up button. You'll then fill in your details and create an account to get started enjoying IPTV. After your account is ready, you can log in and start exploring all the incredible content. Make sure to check out their free trial, which allows you to explore without commitment. Enjoy discovering sports, movies, and series with their user-friendly interface and seamless streaming. 2TV.store provides exceptional support, ensuring a smooth viewing experience every time. Don't wait any longer. Check out 2TV.store today and unlock amazing entertainment options.